Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Christina Fogel. Today I'm going to make Thai chicken peanut noodles. This is one of my family's favorite recipes and I make it a lot, so I want to share it with you. The ingredients I'm going to need is whole wheat spaghetti noodles, chicken, peanuts, peanut butter, soy sauce, chicken broth, sriracha, and crushed red pepper. I'm also going to use cilantro, a red pepper, fresh ginger, garlic, green onion, carrots, and lemon juice. First I'm going to julienne the carrots. I'm going to use about 1.5 cups. Sometimes you can find the carrots already cut in this shape in the store, and if you do, that's a nice time saver. I'm going to chop the 2 cloves of garlic. To peel the fresh ginger, I just use the back of the spoon and I scrape off the peel. It comes right off like that. It's really easy. And then I'm going to finely mince about 1 tablespoon of ginger. I'm going to chop up 1 whole red pepper. There's a little bit of chopping and prep work in this recipe, but once all that's done, the dish itself goes together really fast. Now I'm going to chop the toppings. I have cilantro, green onion, and peanuts. I'm going to thinly slice 4 green onions. I'm going to roughly chop about 1/2 cup of lightly salted peanuts. I'm going to roughly chop about 3 tablespoons of cilantro. I gather the cilantro into a bunch and chop off the top leaves. And then I go back through and pick out the larger stems that are still in there and discard those. I'm going to thinly slice about 1 pound of chicken. That's all the chopping. Now I'm going to move on to the sauce ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and make my sauce. I'm going to add the peanut butter, chicken broth, soy sauce, sriracha, red pepper, and the lemon. You can make this recipe as hot as you like. I like about 4 teaspoons of sriracha and 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. You can add more or less sriracha depending on how hot you want to make the recipe. I'm going to go ahead and whisk this together. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and boil the noodles and start browning my chicken. I like whole wheat noodles in this recipe. The flavor really seems to add to the dish, but feel free to use any kind of spaghetti noodles you like. Over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil and let that get hot. Add the chicken and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes until it starts to brown. Stir it once in a while. Add the garlic and the ginger and give that a quick stir. Add the carrots and red pepper. I'm going to stir fry this for about another 2 minutes. Add the sauce. Give that a quick stir. And I'm going to raise the heat up to high. I really want to get this boiling. As soon as the sauce starts to boil, I'm going to lower the heat to medium-low and let that simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. The sauce will start to thicken up a little bit. The noodles are done. Just going to go ahead and drain those. I'm going to stir in some of the green onions and some of the cilantro. I save a little bit to sprinkle on the top, just use it as a garnish. I'm going to add some of the noodles. I'm just going to add half the noodles at a time. It seems to be a little bit easier to mix in. Then the rest of the noodles. Oh, this looks so good. It smells so good too. Alright, we're almost done. I'm gonna put some peanuts on top. And then the rest of the green onion. So close to goodness. And then it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to click the subscribe and hit that like button. The recipe's on the website. It's ChristinaFold.com. That's hot though. Too hot for me. Ooh. Spicy. My lips are burning. They actually are burning.